Hello friends, today we have a very good topic, and those are the medicinal plants. Medicinal plants medicinal plants are available in our life everywhere. Whatever those are very important in our life. For example, if suppose we are using the different types of spices having also the medicinal value. Other plants have also the medicinal value. Whatever the plants parts are used. For example, if suppose we are using the spices in which the hing is used, so hing is obtained from the plants. This similarly, some other fruits are also there. For example, Sitaphal, Ramphal, these are also having the medicinal value. Similarly, we have the जीरा, धनिया, सौंफ, ये सारी चीजें all of these have some medicinal value. So today we discuss some medicinal plants with their names, with their botanical names, with their potential usage. So we start. What are the plants? Plants are the bios. Bios, the systematic study of plants, is in the science, and that science is called the botany. So biology, two parts. Biology having two science. Botany, systematic study of plants. And in case of the plants, we have the trees, the shrubs, and herbs. So very small plants, then medium plants, and very big plants. For example, when we have to surrounds, so for example, neem, for example, people. So these are the bigger plants. Similarly, we have the Brahmi. We have some vitamin C plants, amla. So therefore, we have the haldi. So these are the different plants. So why the most one plants are the medicine. So why medicines? Something they're antioxidant, anti-inflammatory in nature, where all of you have know about the tulsi. So tulsi itself is antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. Similarly, amla is also antioxidant. So we have to see during the COVID times, the whole world was undergo the very stressful life. So in those particular time, so here one most thing is the medicinal plants boost the immunity. So these are the immunity boosters. Something digestive health, where I have already discussed about the hing, which is used in the spices. Similarly, we have the soft fennel. Fennel is also the whatever digestive or metabolic assistant. Then heart and blood, that is also related. Then stress is also relieved by different medicinal plants. Then the rejuvenate skin and hair health. So here something, if a wound in our health, wound are also healed, uh, healed by the plants. So last one, respiratory health. This is also important. What we have, because when we have in the plants, then nature, the oxygen itself is, so therefore oxygen required for respiration. Here the fungal, antifungal also there, antibacterial, bacteria also there. So here are the some of the names of the plants. For example, all of you have know about the pyaj or lasan. I think most of the food we have the pyaj or lasan. One is the Allium cepa. This is the botanical name. This is biennial and this is sub-erect herb. This is the example of the herb. Here, Tamda Kanda, this is the chemical, whatever we have to see, and this chemical quercetin is present, which is mostly used in very medicines, whatever the chemical. So this can be obtained by onion skin, kanda, pyaj ki skin. That is, so this is these medicinal values. One more is lasun, Hindi name. Arist is also named, the botanical name, Allium sativum. Then this is also like a bulb, because this is lasun and pyaj both are under the ground. So those are in the form of the bulb. Here, most important, whatever the vitamin B share B complex. So thiamine, riboflavin, or niacin. These specific chemicals are which relates with the vitamin B complex. So therefore, both have rich medicinal value. Now, some other one. For example, Nagdavna and Sudarshan. Here, bulb is also used. Here, the chemical lyserine and the botanical name Crinum deficum. This is perennial herb, Sudarshan. And here, the perennial herb, I have already discussed the plants, trees, bigger one. Shrubs is medium, and then herb very small. So perennial, annual means many annual. So this is one of the example of the. Here also specific chemicals are obtained and specific medicines can be prepared. Chironji, all of you know, I think Chironji is also the example of the dry fruits. So Chironji, the name Buchania, Ayanam, this is latifolia. This one is also the extract of plants is used as a anti-cancer. So Priyala इसका दूसरा नाम चिरोंजी, चिरोंजी का नाम आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. So this is tree, whatever I have discussed. Chironji tree, Buchania inajano, latifolia. This sprang and rocks. This is the classification issue. Extract of plant is anti-cancer. So medicinal values are आम का तो नाम सुना ही होगा, amra. This is another name, Mangifera indica. Is in this particular case cardotonic, means related with the heart. That is mangiferin, the cardotonic chemical is present, means to give potential to the heart. This is, all of you know different types of mango. For example, the Dasari, Langda, different types of mangoes are there. These trees, mango trees are evergreen. So this is related. This is is also having the medicinal values. Another one, Bilwa. This one, Anacordium orientalis. This is making nuts. Then bile. All of you know about the bile, that is bile acid. So that is related with our the organs. So here this is Amratka wild mango. This is also known as bile tree. So this is I also now all of you know about the Ramphal. Ramphal is also very small tree. Here the bark is tonic, yani Ramphal bark is tonic. Tonic we have to use. Then Sitaphal, Sitaphal Sharifa, custard apple, sugar apple, large herb. Sitaphal is also cardiotonic. Then we have Apiaceae family Ajmoda, Mayuri. This is biennial herb, fruits, apium, graven, dens. दिस इज इसको हम शाहजीरे के नाम से भी पुकारते हैं. कैरम कार्बी. देन वी हैव सम अदर वन काली दूधी, श्यामलता. दिस इज द वेरी shrub. Apocynom fratricensis, large evergreen Latiaferin shrubs. काली दूधी, श्यामलता, इसका नाम Apocynom frutescens. Then all of you have know the kaner. Kaner, sweet oleander. Different types of caners you have to use. Nerium indicum, low shrub. Then we have rose barrel oleander. Oleander means the caner. All of you know, very interesting. Caners are poisonous plants, but those have also the value of medicinal value. You know the caner. Caner मेरे ख्याल से सब लोग जानते होंगे. This is poisonous plants. In animal poisoned by heart became paralyzed. So this is very poisonous plants. This one is caner. So there are certainly medicinal values are also there. Now we have the the question is the means the food and food ingredients. Dhania, coriander, corundum setae, herb, annual. Annual means yearly. This have alpha-toxin, B1 and B2, B complex. So there are certain vitamins are present in dhania. Safed jeera, cumin, caraway. Cumin, cymenis, gajar. All of you know well known about the gajar. Carrot. This is also biennial herb. Docus carota. Roots, carotene is carrots having the carotene. This aqueous seeds extract is also used smooth muscles. This one is the yani the question is extract of seed. गाजर के extract. उसमें हमें what we have different types of the medicinal value of seeds of gajar is smooth muscles, ilium. So that the question of the muscles activation is there. Hing is also obtained from the tree, and Ferula aliaceae B, ferulin nerve tonic. Hing में nerve tonic होगा. This one Asafoetida. Now stem is brain, crop, the liver tonic, oleogum, means a number of medicinal value of whole plant of hing. Asafoetida, we get the number of medicinal value. सौंफ, all of you know, मधुरिका. This is इसको हम मधुरिका भी बोलते हैं. Botanical name Phenylphonicum vulgare. So this is also all of you know about the सौंफ. So medicinal values are mostly all the plants, but we have to know what are their botanical name, and any plants having number of names also. If suppose any of the plant that is present in Bengal, another name, that is present in UK, another name. Say the same plant in Africa, another name. So it is very difficult to give the answer of plants, and specifically the medicinal plants and their nature where those are available. So I think this video will give you opportunity to take brainstorming what we are using, any of the plants having specific value of medicines. Something, there are certain chemicals are responsible to increase the boosting antioxidant, antifungal. Number of disease can be cured by medicinal plants. So that's all today. Thank you. And if any question, comment, then go to the answer. Okay, thank you. Thank you to all. Thank you. Any question? Then you have to